আমাকে দেখতে ঠিক আমার মতো নয়। ওদের আমি বলেছিলাম, ওরা কেউ বিশ্বাস করেনি, তুমিও করনি। তাই একদিন সকালে আমি একটা
To call him a versatile genius would be a scant description of our subject. His creations ranged from poems, short stories, plays to film scripts, and of course, music. He is particularly remembered for his resonant Ganasangit, or the people's song. His voice strongest for the subjugated and the oppressed. The rural youth who empathized with the Kisan women of the rural Bengal. Yet, his melodious and romantic compositions hit new bastions. Even the highly commercial world of Hindi films took note. A new era began. To understand our subject, you must know how his music evolved, the social and economic situation of the rural poor, directly influencing and charting the young songwriter's journey. His commitment total. His songs cried Inkilab. He lived among the Pobans and Ajiburs and used his words in the cause of the sharecroppers. I was hardly 10 when he used to visit my elder brother and sit for meetings. Remember snatches of his songs. Fly aloft the red flag, strike the cymbal, arise. Another song, we work in our fields, using the scythe. He sang, we listened aptly. Father said he used to come, sit under the tree, and playing a harmonium break into a song. The exploitation by the ruling class must be stopped. That's what he said with his hard-hitting yet simple words and musical compositions. The rural Bengali youth completely secular. Sholil Chowdhury was born in the year 1925 at Gajipur, a small village in the 24 Parganas of West Bengal. He grew up in a different land, a land rich with folk culture, where people sang the Ganasangit, the forest song, where the song of the mighty Brahmaputra reverberated around. The land of Kamarup or Assam. His father worked in a British tea garden here. An avid listener of Western classical music, Dr. Gyanendra Chowdhury's love for the Western classical left its influence on young Sholil. It was during visits to the ancestral house in Barashot, where his Choto Dadu was a lawyer, that Sholil came to know of another music which grew like nature in the environment of Bengal, the minstrel going from house to house singing Baul songs. Here Sholil's mother, Dibabati, introduced young Sholil to wonders of Tagore. No wonder Sholil always remained close to his mother. Back to Assam, where the beauty and the bounty of nature never ceased to catch the eye of the beholder. Sholil and his elder brother were the perfect children of Mother Nature, roaming endlessly. Suddenly, the sojourn ended. They were shifted to Calcutta and admitted into the Calcutta Academy School at Amherst Street. Significantly, the school was right opposite to the house of the great social reformer Raja Ram Mohan Roy, the student of class 3. Sholil heard something in the house of their Sejo Jetamoshai that slowly became his obsession. Milan Parishad Orchestra Party occupied a room in the building where serious rehearsals used to be held. The lessons began. The director of the orchestra was Nikhil Chowdhury, Sholil's cousin brother, adept at playing almost all musical instruments. He taught Sholil the value and individuality of each instrument, different in shape, size, and mood. In those days, theatres showed silent films, and Nikhil took contract to provide live background music to the films. Sholil became a regular player of piano in the group, his tiny figure reaching out to play the chords with his left hand. Disappointed, his father shifted both the sons again, this time to the maternal house in Kodalia in Shonarpur area in 24 Parganas of West Bengal. Again, a well-established school, boasting of many well-known men on its alumni, where Shivnath Shastri was once the headmaster. A school which revered the great men of talent and genius the state had. One, its teacher and well-known author Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay, whose novel Pother Pachali Satyajit Ray made into a great film. Soon reciting poet Wordsworth as he swam, the life in Kodalia saw Sholil complete his schooling with distinction. Kodalia was also the place which built his political and social consciousness in best of traditions, best of culture, and festivities. Barely out of his teens, Sholil joined Lokhon Bhattacharjya in organizing a sweepers rally in 1938 that continued for 10 days. Son Biplab Bhattacharjya recollects. They were close friends. He called him by his pet name Bachi. Listen to this song my father was fond of singing. Arise you all. Fight to break the shackle. Fight for freedom. If Kodalia House was not known for musical influences, it developed in young Sholil a political consciousness. One of his grandfathers, Kali Choron Ghosh, had undergone long periods of imprisonment, and he was also a secretary to Subhash Chandra Bose. Kodalia also boasted of having produced many revolutionaries. Sholil in his teens jumped into the fray. Noni Ghosh, a compatriot of Sholilda, recollects. Sholilda's contribution in building the party base in this area was the greatest. At that time, the party was illegal. He formed the People Theatre Group and enrolled members. But music was never far away from him, lilting songs, played by the neighboring young boy, introduced him to Pankaj Maulik, the lilt of another great voice, Kanon Devi. He copied them all on his flute, merging wistfully with the flute recital of the maestro flutist Pannalal Ghosh, which smelt of the moist country soil. He started commuting to college from Kodalia and immediately became a part of the Student Federation. In the meantime, the freedom movement was gaining momentum. In the 40s, world's largest man-made famine ravaged Bengal. Shobha Sen, the veteran artist, recollects those turbulent days. Remember the year 1943 as the year of the war. The famine. Thousands in waves trudged to Calcutta. We in IPTA formed platforms to impart to the people a vision of liberation. Stage plays came on. The famous Nobonno. That's when I saw Sholil, a flute in hand. Calcutta smoldered and burned in the year 1946 as riots bloodied the streets of the city. In the meantime, popular mass upsurge continued against imperialism and police atrocity. Words and music were Sholilda's direct weapons with which he expressed his anguish and protests. Performing with a group of singers from the IPTA platform, he called out to Hindus and Muslims to join hands to stop bloodshed. In another song titled Vichar Poti, or The Judge, he attacked the brutality of British injustice meted out to the Indian freedom fighters. On 29th July 1946, the freedom struggle had taken on a new edge, when in support of the naval mutiny and other British oppressions, an all-India strike had brought the life in India to a standstill. Subhash Mukhopadhyay, Bengal's great poet, wrote a fiery piece against the atrocities.
জবাব চাই লাখো লাখো হাত এক হলে বলো পরোয়া কাকে আমাদের দাবি কে
Under today's Shahid Minar, Sholilda sang out to a restless crowd of 5 lakhs his own revolutionary song, The Waves Surge, a song proscribed by the British administration immediately. Even today, this song of indomitable spirit remains a clarion call for revolution. The Second World War between nations had ravaged the people brutally and caused mass destruction. Young Sholil Chaudhary protested and demanded that peace may reign.
চলে ডাইনে বা কেউ বয়ে চলে একই সাগরে তুলেছে ঢেউ কেউ বা ধর্মী বিধর্মী কেউ সবার চোখে স্বপ্ন ভাসে স্বাধীন সুখী দেশ শান্তি ফেরা ঘরে ঘরে প্রাণের পরিবেশ মোরা সবাই তখন একসাথে ভাই মিলি যখন প্রশ্ন হতে ধ্বংস কি সৃষ্টি আমাদের চোখে চলে আগুনের দৃষ্টি আমরা জবাব দিই সৃষ্টি 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 যখন প্রশ্ন হতে যুদ্ধ কি শান্তি আমাদের বেঁচে নিতে হয় না তো ভ্রান্তি আমরা জবাব দিই শান্তি 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 আর রক্ত নয় নয় আর ধ্বংস নয় নয় আর রক্ত নয় নয় আর ধ্বংস নয় নয় আর নয় মায়েদের শিশুদের কান্না আর না আর না আর না রক্ত কি ধ্বংস কি যুদ্ধ আর না
His commitment did not end with attainment of India's independence. In 1948, the Tebaga peasants' movement took place, with the farmers of West Bengal demanding 3/4 of the produce for themselves. Sholildas stood for them and came out with another of his lasting creations. Take guard with your scythe. Hey Shamalo.
Hey Samalo, hey Samalo, hey Samalo, dhan ho, kasse ka dao shan ho. Hey Samalo, dhan ho, kasse ka dao shan ho. Dhan ko bunar man ko bul, ar debo na, rakte bona, dhan ho de dhan ho. Hey Samalo, hey Samalo, hey Samalo.
In 1949, Hemant Kumar sang Sholilda's song of Kisan women's travails, which was recorded when Salilda was underground. The song Gayer Bodhu was a major commercial hit. Verses of young revolutionary poet Shukanto Bhattacharya fascinated him. Sholilda did a striking thing by putting tune to Shukanto's Rana and made an inspiring song out of a poem never meant to be a song. Poet Shukanto's brother, Ashok Bhattacharya, is no less thrilled.
রানার ছুটেছে তাই ঝুম ঝুম ঘন্টা বাজছে হাতে রানার চলেছে খবরের বোঝা হাতে রানার চলেছে রানার রাত
রাত্রির পথে পথে চলে কোন নিষেধ জানে না মানার দিগন্ত থেকে দিগন্তে ছুটে রানার কাজ নিয়েছে সে নতুন খবর রানার ছুটেছে তাই ঝুম ঝুম ঘন্টা বাজছে রাতে রানার চলেছে খবরের বোঝা হাতে রানার চলেছে রানার।
একটা জিনিস শুধু বলবো রানারে, দুবার ভোর কথা
Close compatriot and musician Abhijit Banerjee explains the musical intricacies of the composition.
আকাশ হয়েছে লাল, এই যে দুটো ভোর, একটা ভোর আমাদের ইন্ডিয়ান মতে কোমল রে দিয়ে করলে পরে যা হয় তাই, রানার চলেছে বুঝি ভোর হয় হয়।
Look how easily he delineated two early mornings in musical terms, one approaching and the other already there.
যখন এসেছেন শুদ্ধতা দিয়ে।
He added tune to the famous poet Shotin Dotta's Palkir Gan, and by adding a short exclamation, Humna, turned it into a song of pathos at the palanquin bearers' hard journey with fellow humans on their backs.
শব্দ গায়ে আদুল গায়ে যাচ্ছে কারা রোদে সারা না না ময়রা মুদি না সুস্থে মাছি না উড়ছে কতক ভন ভনিয়ে আসছে কারা।
A flood of melodies opened, embodying the best in the post-Rabindranath cultural ethos. I step on the path to lose my way.
আমি অনেক ভেবেছি পথ হারাবো বলে এবার পথে নেমেছি সোজা পথের ধারায় আমি অনেক ভেবেছি পথ হারাবো বলে এবার পথে নেমেছি ও মা গো মা অন্য কিছু গল্প বলো আজকে ছিল
Mother, not again the story of the king and the queen. Tell me about poor Dasu's young son who died overnight of fever. The refreshingly alive stream of sweet melodies flowed on.
বলে কে মা দোলে তান তোলে তার আনন্দ উচ্ছলে আকাশ ভরে জোছনায় ধিতাং বলে কে মা দোলে তান তোলে তার আনন্দ উচ্ছলে আকাশ ভরে জোছনায় আয় ছুটে সকলে এই মাটির ধরা তলে আজ হাসির তলরলে নূতন জীবন গড়িয়া
কথা বলে পাখি আর ডাকিস না কথা বলে পাখি আর ডাকিস না কি হবে কথা বলে হৃদয়ের দুয়ার খুলে
পল্লবিনী গো
A fountain of music which spoke your mind.
আর পারিনি যত দূর চাই আকাশে আবাসে তোমারই দুটি নয়নের চাহনি
Brought back to you your lost world, filled with a new light of hope and meaningfulness.
বিদায় নেবার
It was time for Sholilda to leave Calcutta when in 1951 his father passed away. The natural destination was Bombay, which had a bigger film industry and afforded bigger opportunities with successful directors holding sway. His first Hindi film was also Bimal Roy Productions' first film in Bombay. Do Bhiga Zameen.
लगातार 2 बरस से बरखा नहीं हुई, खेत सूख गए.
The story of an impoverished Indian farmer and his family.
पेड़ों के पत्ते तक मुरझा कर झड़ गए, आकाश में बादलों का नाम तक नहीं. देश भर में हाहाकार मच गया. लेकिन सभी दुखों का अंत होता है. फिर से आकाश में बादल उमड़ आए.
The film was directed by Bimal Roy, with story and music by Sholil Chowdhury, not yet 30. Do Bhiga Zameen went on to win critical acclaim, an entry into the 1954 Cannes, and an award at the Carlo Vivari, the first Indian film to win international laurels. Manna Dey, the famous singer, says,
singularly lucky because Vimalda chose me to sing songs for Balraj Sahani, because I had sung for Balraj Sahani before that, and I was chosen to sing those songs. Shailendra Lekha Gaan.
धरती कहे पुकार के, ईद बिछा ले प्यार के, मौसम बीता जाए, मौसम बीता जाए,
मौसम बीता जाए, मौसम बीता जाए,
मौसम बीता जाए, मौसम बीता जाए.
a son of the soil from rural Bengal, politically aware and music mostly self-taught, he took the Bombay film world by storm.
सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी, हमें डर है हम खो न जाए कहीं, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी.
चुनरिया क्यों करते, घड़ी घड़ी मोरा दिल धड़के, ओ सजना बरखा बहार आई, रस की फुहार लाई, अखियों में प्यार लाई, ओ सजना बरखा बहार आई, रस की फुहार लाई, अखियों में प्यार लाई, ओ सजना.
क्या हवा चली बाबा रुत बदली, ओ बाबा क्या हवा चली रे बाबा रुत बदली, शोर है गली गली, 100 चूहे खाए के बिल्ली हज को चली, क्या हवा चली बाबा रुत बदली. जाने मन तेरे रो नयन.
He broke into a completely commercial arena and won it over through songs of myriad colors, so distinctly Sholil Chowdhury.
नहीं सजन तुमसे ही खोया होगा सही, तुम्हारा मन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन. जाने क्यों होता है जिंदगी के साथ, छोटी छोटी सी बात न जाने क्यों
ओ एवें दुनिया देवे दुहाई झूठा पौंदी शोर ते अपने दिल तो पुछ के वेखो कौन नहीं है चोर ते कि मैं झूठ बोलिया कोई ना कि मैं कुफर खोलिया कोई ना कि मैं जहर खोलिया कोई ना भाई कोई ना भाई कोई ना ओए एवें दुनिया देवे दुहाई झूठा पौंदी शोर ते अपने दिल तो पुछ के वेखो कौन नहीं है चोर ते कि मैं झूठ बोलिया
जागो मोहन प्यारे जागो जागो मोहन प्यारे जागो नवयुग तुमने नैने सिधारे जागो जागो मोहन प्यारे
जगले जगले गलियां जागी नगर नगर सब गलियां जागी
आनंद का वो मतलब मेरा पहला गीत
Yogesh, the well-known lyricist, is grateful for the break he got writing for Anand.
और उसके बाद दूसरा गीत मन्ना जी का गाया हुआ जिंदगी कैसी है पहेली हाय कभी तो हंसाए कभी तो रुलाए
Now who would open with a trumpet, a tear-filled yet triumphant song of man's spirit?
जिंदगी कैसी है पहेली हाय कभी तो हंसाए कभी ये रुलाए जिंदगी कैसी है पहेली हाय
मैंने तेरे लिए ही
A Mukesh number painting the 7 colors of the rainbow.
सपने सुरीले सपने मैंने तेरे लिए ही 7 रंग के सपने चुने सपने सुरीले सपने कुछ हंसते कुछ गम के तेरी आंखों के साए चुराए रसीली यादों ने
The unemployed youth's frustration through a song in Gulzar's Mere Apne.
हाल चाल ठीक ठाक है सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है हाल चाल ठीक ठाक है सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है बीए किया है एमए किया लगता है वो भी एमए किया बीए किया है एमए किया लगता है वो भी एमए किया काम नहीं है वरना यहाँ आपकी दुआ से सब ठीक ठाक है
कोई होता जिसको अपना
The song of Kishore Kumar, which still haunts you and me.
यारो पास नहीं तो दूर ही होता लेकिन कोई मेरा अपना कोई होता जिसको अपना हम अपना कह लेते यारो पास नहीं तो दूर ही होता लेकिन कोई मेरा अपना
Song of the film Meenu, sung mellifluously by Antara, then a mere child.
माँ अब लाने वाली है ओ काली रे तू तो काली काली है गोरा सा दिख गया माँ अब लाने वाली है.
He never stopped experimenting with the use of a new style or unusual notes. Folk music his first base, but he went on to nostalgic Indian classical ragas and movements of the Western classical orchestra when a film needed a strong background score. Maybe opportunities were created specially for him when B.R. Chopra, the doyen among the Hindi filmmakers, launched a songless, serious film, Kanoon. The dramatic Ittefaq. Sholilda and Harendranath Chattopadhyay had led from the front in the mass movement days. When Films Division commissioned a film on Harendranath, Sholil Chowdhury composed a beautiful background score as a rare tribute to the genius of Harendranath.
Rocking crowd thunders to threaten Earth's little nest, blinking thunderbirds heard by their giant. I am composed of strong wind and lightning and thunder, of deluge and typhoon and tempest dashing, daring, sharing the rapture of elements.
Language was no barrier. His entry into the South Indian film world was in the mid-60s, when he scored music for the National Gold Medal winning Malayalam film Chimeen, directed by Ramu Karyat and produced by Babu Ismail Seth. Didn't catch on first, but what a song it turned out to be, so well picturized by Ramu Karyat on the beach.
গানটা ইউজ করেছিলেন ওই সমুদ্রের পাড়ের উপরে সমুদ্রের ধারেতে ওই হিরোর মুখে
The story of a young Muslim man's undying love for a Hindu girl.
হিন্দু মেয়ে প্রেমে পড়ে সেই মানসময়নে বরু মানসময়নে বরু మధురం నుల్లి తరు నిన్నరుమ పూవారిని తేరువదారి ఆరి మానసమైని వరు
మానసమైని వరు మధురం నుల్లి తరు నిన్నరుమ పూవారిని తేరువదారే ఆరే మానసమైని వరు మధురం నుల్లి తరు నిన్నరుమ పూవారిని తేరువదారే ఆరే మానసమైని వరు
பெண்ணாளே பெண்ணாளே கரிமீன் கண்ணாளே கண்ணாளே பெண்ணாளே பெண்ணாளே கரிமீன் கண்ணாளே கண்ணாளே கன்னித்தாமர பூளே கன்னித்தாமர பூளே வாவா பெண்ணாளே பெண்ணாளே கரிமீன் கண்ணாளே கண்ணாளே
কি অপূর্ব গান করেছিল
How well composed by Sholil. I was moved when I saw it come on in the film.
ভালো লেগেছিল ওর মধ্যে
Yesudas sang superbly.
সুন্দর সুন্দর গান করেছিলেন
ചാകര കടപ്പുറത്തിനി ഉത്സവമായി ഈ ചാകര തെരപ്പുറത്തിനി മത്സരമായി ചാകര
खडपुरत्तिनि उत्सवमाये कागन खडपुरत्तिनि मत्सरमाय तामर कपिनुल्कड़ि पंचमिये ओमन പൊൻവല കോർക്കടി പൈങ്കിളിയേ ഓണമായി ഓണമായി പൊന്നോണമായി പൊന്നോണമായി.
Like with music, like with his poems, hear him in his own voice, on a clock. That you are running pleases me. You may show 2, but strike 4. Or when it is 12, you strike 6 times. For who really knows at what time? You may strike exactly how many times. Mere numerals cannot encapsulate time. You may be trying to say, while you run as you please, that movement is life. That while at it, there is none leading, none falling behind. He inspired secular choir groups to be formed. Ruma Guho Thakurta, singer and artist, recollects. Both the choirs were sister organizations. Sholilda started the Bombay Youth Choir. We were with him. Shankar, Shailendra, Prem Dhawan. Sholilda asked me to start a choir group in Calcutta, where I had come to work as lead artist in the Bengali film Ganga.
Sholilda's famous play.
He wrote superb contemporary plays. One of them, Apni Ke, Ki Koren, Ki Hote Chan. Who are you? What work do you do? What would you like to do?
I knew him as a music director, great music director. And in my childhood, once I met him. And that effect was there throughout my career. Suddenly when Mr. Basu Bhattacharya, late Mr. Basu Bhattacharya, asked me to translate it, because you know Bengali is a great privilege, and I immediately translated. It was for our IPTA Mumbai, and আমরা immediately ওটা 15 দিনের ভিতরে ড্রামাটা স্টেজ করলাম.
Suggested by late director Basu Bhattacharya, Anjan Srivastav, a distinguished actor himself, translated the play in Hindi and staged it in Bombay's Rang Sharda. It was a runaway hit. Multifaceted, he gave a form to music which won scores of awards for him. Like the Filmfare Award, the Alauddin Smriti Puraskar, the Maharashtra Gaurav Award, the Sangeet Natak Academy Award, and a place of honor in the Marquee Who Is Who publication board. His love and encouragement for his juniors was phenomenal, as today's composer Debojyoti Misro will love to recollect.
একটা ঘটনা আমার মনে আছে, মানে সলিল চৌধুরী জিনিয়াস,
Call him a genius, a legend.
অনেকেই বলবে, অনেক কথাই আছে। একটা ইনসিডেন্ট আমার দারুণ ভাবে মনে আছে।
Once, before the Durga Puja, we were both not very solvent.
কাজ আমাদের হাতে টাকা থাকে সেরকম নেই, তো একদমই টাকা পয়সা নেই। শৈলাকে গিয়ে বললাম, শৈলা,
I suggested we open a chicken roll shop in Calcutta's Gold Park area, for which I needed altogether 2,000 rupees.
একটা রোলের দোকান। বললো, বাহ, মন্দ আইডিয়া নয় তো, আমি দেখেছি ওখানে বইয়ের দোকানের পাশে অনেক রোলের দোকান হয়, খুব ভালো, দেখ একটা দোকান দেখ। দোকান দেখলাম, বলে কত? আলো দোকানটা দিতে 1200 টাকা লাগবে, আর কাঁচা।
He agreed to organize a loan and demanded only 5 rupees for himself per day. The rest of the profit mine.
আমি করে দিচ্ছি, 5 টাকা করে আমায় দিবি, আর বাদ বাকিটা তোর প্রফিট।
The same voice cried out for the country. The veteran singer Vijayan Mukherjee cannot help repeat. He was my closest friend. He was as simple as he said in his verses. Sing easy. Since we do sing, we sing so well. Sholilda is like the ocean. From a distance, you hear only the roar. But when you go near, the roar has turned into music. For the young guitarist Nandi, he was my inspiration.
সলিলবাবুর গানের জন্যই হয়তো আজকে আমি সঙ্গীত জগতে আসতে পেরেছি। আমাকে উনি যেভাবে ইনফ্লুয়েন্স করেছেন ওনার গানের মাধ্যমে, আর সলিল বাবুর গান সম্বন্ধে এইটুকুই বলতে
His
পারি,
music
সলিল
talks
বাবু
of
গান
life.
কথা বলে।
जब आदमी को भविष्य तो नहीं मालूम होता है और जो भी बना मतलब जो कुछ भी मैं हूँ आज
I am what I am because of him.
नहीं तो मेरी कोई पहचान नहीं थी।
সলিল বাবুর ব্যাপারে কিছু বলতে গেলে আমার মনটা
It saddens me to talk about his death.
চলে যাওয়াটা আমাকে বড় দুঃখ দিয়েছিল। সলিলের মতো
To have a friend like him was great luck.
এ কোথায় নিয়ে যাচ্ছো আমায়
Into which infiniteness you carry me to. Incenses burn, garlands thrown in heaps. The carriage sways.
অভিমানে থমথমে হু করা বুকে নিচু
Sad faces abound.
গান বাজছে
Where do you take me?
ও আলোর পথযাত্রী
The man who sang, "Freedoms are not given but wrested," passed away on 5th September 1995. His message remains evergreen. O Alor Patho Jatri, listen, O traveler who seeks light. Don't rest here, for it's night here. It's dark. Move on where there's light. Move on.